Great blue heron. The great blue heron, Ardea herodias, is a large and elegant wading bird known for its stately appearance and striking blue-gray plumage. This essay explores the various aspects of this magnificent bird, including its taxonomy, physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, breeding habits, and conservation status. Taxonomy and classification. The great blue heron belongs to the order Pelecaniformes and the family Ardeidae. Its scientific name, Ardea herodias, reflects its classification in the genus Ardea, which includes several large heron species. The specific epithet herodias is derived from Greek mythology, referring to the heron as a symbol of watchfulness. Physical characteristics. Great blue herons are the largest herons in North America, measuring about 97,137 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of approximately 167,201 centimeters. They have a distinctive blue-gray plumage, with a long neck, a white head adorned with a black stripe over each eye, and a long, pointed yellow bill. Their legs are long and grayish, well suited for wading in shallow waters. Both sexes have similar plumage, though males are generally larger. Juveniles resemble adults but have a more uniform gray coloration and lack the distinctive plumes found in mature birds. Habitat and distribution. The great blue heron inhabits a variety of freshwater and coastal habitats, including marshes, swamps, riverbanks, lake shores, and estuaries. They are widely distributed across North America, from Alaska and Canada to the northern parts of South America. These herons are also found in the Caribbean and the Galapagos Islands. They prefer areas with shallow water and abundant vegetation, which provide ample feeding and nesting opportunities. During the breeding season, they often form colonies in trees or shrubs near water. Behavior and adaptations. Great blue herons are solitary hunters, known for their patient and deliberate hunting techniques. They wade slowly through shallow waters or stand still, waiting for prey to come within striking distance. Their long neck and sharp bill allow them to catch fish, amphibians, reptiles, and small mammals with precision. They are strong flyers, often seen flying with their necks tucked in and their legs trailing behind. Their flight is characterized by slow, powerful wing beats. Great blue herons are also known for their distinctive croaking calls, which they use to communicate with each other. Diet. The diet of the great blue heron is primarily piscivorous, consisting mainly of fish. They also consume amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, insects, and crustaceans. Their hunting technique involves stalking or ambushing prey in shallow water, using their sharp bill to spear or grasp their catch. These herons are opportunistic feeders and can adapt their diet based on the availability of prey. They are known to forage both during the day and at night, taking advantage of different prey activity patterns. Breeding and lifespan. The breeding season for great blue herons typically occurs from March to July. They nest in colonies, often in trees or shrubs near water. The nests are large platforms made of sticks and lined with softer materials. The female lays 3-6 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 25-30 days. The chicks are altricial, requiring significant parental care. Both parents feed the chicks regurgitated food until they fledge, usually after 60-70 days. Great blue herons can live up to 15 years in the wild, though the average lifespan is shorter due to predation and environmental factors. Conservation status. The great blue heron is classified as least concern by the IUCN, with stable and widespread populations. However, habitat loss and degradation, pollution, and human disturbance pose potential threats. Conservation efforts focus on protecting and restoring wetland habitats and minimizing human impacts on nesting colonies. Cultural significance and ecosystem role. Great blue herons are admired for their elegance and grace, making them popular subjects in art and literature. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling fish and amphibian populations, contributing to the balance of aquatic environments. Their presence in wetlands and coastal areas is often welcomed, as they add to the biodiversity and aesthetic value of these habitats. Birdwatchers and naturalists appreciate their striking appearance and interesting behaviors, which enhance the natural beauty of their environments.